What a pleasure to drive this 1959 Chrysler New Yorker. Absolutely love driving every... where are we going? We're lost. I think we're lost. That's okay. What a great car to get lost in. Hey, it's Charles Phoenix. Proud to offer this 1959 New Yorker two-door hardtop for sale. Absolutely has to be one of the finest 59 New Yorkers in existence. Beautifully preserved survivor. The color palette of black and silver inside and out is out of this world. The performance of this car, this is a muscle car, the space age styling. This 1959 Chrysler New Yorker has it all. This is what I call a thoroughbred. 350 horsepower. It is a wolf in sheep's clothing. You get elegance, you get sass, you get class, you get space age style. This car gives it to you all. And did I mention performance? Did I mention how beautifully it's preserved? This is a rare, 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 rare car. You literally could pull up to Buckingham Palace in this car. There's no question about that. And now this cosmic carriage is ready for its close-up. Let's start with that sweeping side spear of stainless filled with aluminum and finished with 7 hash marks. How about those fins? How about everything about this car? Exquisite in every design detail. Look at those taillights. Look at those fin tips. Look at that rear end. Look at that bumper. There's almost 2 bumpers. The golden lion right there in the middle of the trunk that hides the trunk lock. Chrysler, there you see it right there, the aluminum fill inside that bumper in beautiful condition, as is the entire car inside and out. Again, a close-up of that fin tip and those spectacular taillights, the 7 hash marks. This car is loaded up with details. Look at that rear window. There you go, another lion. The car is also loaded up with lions. I love the roof line. I love that Tierra trim on the roof line, that rear window. Notice the curve. There it is. That is not a sunroof. That is a two-tone black and silver roof line. The door handle, the pot metal on this car is outstanding throughout, inside and out. New Yorker, written out like they mean it. New Yorker, and that golden lion pops on that jet black paint. The rear view mirrors, look at the chrome, like new. You just can't beat this. It's so rare to find a car like this in this quality. This is such a rare car. Look at the front end. Look at the aluminum grille. Beautifully preserved. Not dull at all. Shiny and reflective. Really looks like new. Love the way it says Chrysler across the front there. And again, the hood emblem with the golden lion. After all, this is a golden lion New Yorker. The front end is absolutely beautiful. Those flaring front fenders. Again, the roofline in this car, that tinted glass all the way around, that bubular rear window. And the interior of this car is truly the crowning touch. Where do we begin? How about by opening the door? Voila, you're going in, and I gotta say, this interior is absolutely one of the most beautifully preserved original interiors I've ever seen on a car. And there's nothing like an original interior. Look at that headliner. Love the stainless bows. The door panel, absolutely beautiful. So stylish. And by the way, 6-way power seat. It is a swivel seat. Yes, reach down to that little lever right there and voila, you are swinging out onto the street. Again, the passenger door panel. Look at the detail on the brocade, the black and silver brocade. Absolutely out of this world, mid-century modern. Again, another view of that back seat. There's a golden lion there in the middle. The steering wheel does not have so much of a crackle on it. It is the original steering wheel. It has never been restored. The entire dash is absolutely about as nice as you could possibly hope to find. There is no corrosion in the metal, no deterioration. It's perfectly clean, perfectly detailed. Look at the instrument cluster and the mirror-matic, another unusual option of this 1959 New Yorker. Under the hood is where you will find the Golden Lion 413 V8 engine, packing a whopping 350 horsepower. There's the Jiffy Jet bag. I knew you'd love that. Yes, this is a powerful going machine. Okay, here it goes. That sounds good. That sounds really good. Where? I'm asking you, where do we begin to behold the glory of this world-class national treasure? This 1959 Chrysler New Yorker is an absolute infinite source of American pride, not to mention, a mid-century modern masterpiece of engineering and, well, I was going to say mass production, but this car was barely mass produced because of all, yeah, I'm just stopped here. I have to have a moment. Of all the Chrysler New Yorkers, coupes of the forward look era, this 59 is the least produced, so making it, well, the rarest. I gotta tell you, this car does go fast. It is a muscle car. It handles great, it shifts great, it brakes great. This car runs fantastic. Such a pleasure to drive. Oh, I know.
And it can be yours. Get all the details at charlesphoenix.com or email charlesphoenix@me.com. Behold the glory.